So the object is to learn how to leave our particle state behind and become a field, enter the field state. Because you really don't want to wait until you leave your body behind for the last time to learn the way back home to the spirit world. That's not a good time to be asking for directions. You really want to do it now. And we'll come to that in a little while. What the illumination process does is that it clears the imprints of trauma, so that when you do enter the field state, you're clean, you're clear. You do not have any I love yous or any I forgive yous that go unsaid. You are complete. You're ready for infinity. Because the 8th chakra that we spoke about is this radiant orb above the head that you see depicted around the Christ or around the Buddha. And this orb of light exists in infinity, outside of time, but it manifests in time, which is this physical body that we have. We, in effect, are the product of this 8th chakra. And eventually, when we are able to bring our full identity to our luminous self, then we'll have the option of returning or not, or residing in timelessness, in infinity.